I'm teaching you guys how to make a Roblox thumbnail for your Roblox videos. So, usually when I make thumbnails for my main channel, I use a website in Google called I mean Canva.com. And last time, I made a jailbreak video. Sorry for the noises. I made a jailbreak video. If you guys haven't watched it, check out my main channel. And you see the thumbnail, right? If you see the thumbnail, that means you have watched it or see the video and the title. So you might be wondering, how did I make that video? Thumbnail. So I used Roblox Studio to make that thumbnail. So first I insert the map from Toolbox. I'm just gonna make a murder mystery map right now. I'm not spoiling for the next one. No, I'm not gonna make a murder mystery map for my main channel. I'm gonna make something for my main channel tomorrow or maybe next week. Murder mystery, okay? Murder mystery. Wait. Murder mystery map. I'm just gonna put house murder mystery mansion map. Let's see. Murder mystery mansion. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Let's see. Is it lagging? No, it's not lagging. Okay. So I'm just gonna check the inside first. If it's correct, I'm gonna use it. But if it's not correct, I'm not. Let's see. Okay, this is the kitchen. And then what the heck is this? Oh wait. I don't remember this thing coming in. Oh no. What is this? Oh, this is the garage. No, this is not the garage. The garage is not. There's no garage in the mansion, right? Yeah, no. There's what the heck is this? I remember there's a chimney in the secret entrance somewhere right over here. This is not the mansion map. Delete. What map should I put? Murder mystery map. Any map. Okay. Which one? Or if I don't find it, I'm gonna use city map. What? Come on, don't lag. This may be too big. What map is this? Which map is this? I don't know. This is the This is not a real murder mystery map, I think, because I haven't played this map. So I'm gonna use this map. Oh wait, this is a real murder mystery map. I think I ever played this map, but in Murder Mystery 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. So, and then I go to plugins and load character plugin. So this plugin, I'll put it in the description below if you want to use it. So this is Already Pro's plugin. So first I'm gonna take out my character, the Roblox Pro Game 1. Just wait. Okay, there we go. Spawn at R6 or R15, anything you want. Sorry for the noises in the background, you guys. Okay, wait, what the? Okay, there we go. Wait. Okay, put it over there. Okay, and then first you need to delete all the attachments. So attachments. Oh, I'm just gonna go to filter workspace and then attach. Okay, right here, delete. So you just need to delete all of the attachments. So when you screenshot it or something that you want to do, take a picture of it, you don't see the green things. Delete that. Oh, this is so much attachment. I'm just gonna do this. Boom. Okay, no more attachment. So Next, I insert a random. What should I insert? Maybe Nicholas. It's okay. Nicholas. Wait, how do I write Nicholas? Well, wait, give me a sec. I need to open Roblox. I'm just gonna go to Google. And then go here. And I go through Roblox. Okay. Sorry for the noises in the background if you can't hear it. Okay, so Roblox is loading. And then I'm going to murder mystery. Okay, this loads so long. I can't do it. It loads so long. Okay, I'm just gonna spawn in a random I'm just gonna spawn in my friend. Rainer pause 61. Whatever to spawn it. This map is so big that it's lagging all my computer. Okay, so this is my friend. Oh, there's two. I gotta delete one of them. Okay. So then I drag. Come on, drag. Home. What the? It's so laggy. The map is so big. That's why I recommend you guys don't use a very big map. Because if you use a very big map, it'll lag your computer or something. See, it always do like this because of the lag of the map. But it's okay. I can handle this. There we go. Then I rotate him. Rotate. Okay, they're like this. Okay, and then I delete all his attachment. Attach. Right over here, I think. Attach. Okay, here. Like before, I already delete mine, so I gotta delete Rainer's pause 61 attachment. But if you want to make an animation, never delete the attachment. I'm just gonna be quiet when I delete these things because I already explained it. Okay, now this one. What is happening? This map is so big. Okay, that's no. I can still make it. Okay. Come on, delete it. Delete. No, not that one. No, just this one. Delete. So delete. Not enter. Delete. Okay, now for the last one. Just do this until I go down until still. Oh my gosh. So many attachments. Okay, no more attachment. After this, I need to zoom into my character because I pretend I need to have a knife. Okay. Oh no, I gotta delete my axe. Okay. Which one is it? It's the mesh? I think it's the mesh, right? I gotta delete the lasso. And I gotta delete the axe. Okay, delete an axe. Wait, I didn't delete it. I just renamed it. Okay. Delete. Said delete. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just need to ungroup. No, don't ungroup. I just need to come on. No, not left leg. Arm. Okay, there we go. arm, rotate. I'm going to rotate it backwards and then sidewards, and then I'm gonna move it a little bit to the left and a little bit to the back. Whatever, not that nice. Left. Okay, and then I insert, and then I do this, and then I'll just search knife model, not a gear. Model, knife model, okay. I'm gonna use this one because it's nice. Okay, and then I need to move it into my hand. Come on, don't lag, don't you dare lag. Okay, not that nice, but it's okay. I can fix it later. Okay, a little bit to here, and then there. And then a little bit more up. That. Okay, wait. From over here. Okay. And then I'm just gonna close that one and that one. And I'm gonna put this upwards. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna screenshot it. And then I'll edit it with the Canva. So you can also like screenshot when you make model from Roblox Studio, or you can like when you make videos and then you're done and then you're previewing the video, and you can just screenshot the one that you want to make it as your thumbnail. Like I have a video, remember my VIP server? Well, not my VIP server, my video on my main channel about, oh, was it? No, not Airport Tycoon. About a video, I forgot what video was it. Piggy, I think. Yeah. I screenshotted when I was previewing my video before I uploaded, and I edited in Canva. So also like this, when I pause it to what and I already screenshot it. I go to Google and go to canva.com, and then you log in and then search for YouTube thumbnail right over here. Blank, go to blank. Okay, blank is nicer. Okay, after that we just want to upload. Wait, it's loading. Okay, then you go to uploads over here at the top, and then you upload. It's loading because of the thing. Okay, upload. It was this one. Okay, and then I click the double click. Wait. I'm just gonna save it and then close it. Roblox Studio. Okay. So do that. Yes. Nope, no. I'm just gonna upload it to Roblox. Move. File. Publish to Roblox. Blah blah blah. Untitled game. Just create. While it's creating, then go back to Google. Oh, okay, it's published. Wait. Close that. And also close that. Wait, I'm closing it for a while. You can skip some of the video if you don't want me. Wait to close the Roblox, okay? And then, oh, it's already uploaded, okay. And then, let's go back to computer. Okay, I'm gonna make it bigger until it's nice and good. Oh, you don't want to see that thing, so I can just do like that. Okay. And then you can go to elements and see like bubbles, chat bubble. Can I use this? No. Not like this. No. Or I can just put oval. Okay, oval, and put on top of him, pretending I'm the murderer and he's innocent. Okay, right over there. And I'm gonna insert text. Add a subheading to make it small. Okay, I'm just gonna put pretending he think I'm the murderer. There we go. Now I just download it and boom! I'm done making the thumbnail. Easy. I'm just gonna download. It's preparing. It's gonna say because I write only text is So that's how you make a thumbnail in Roblox Studio and Canva. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and slap that bell icon to never miss another video. And I'll put all the links of like the plugins and the link to Canva and more. So thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out and goodbye.